When we want to learn a new skill, most of us enter a hoarding phase. We gather as much information as possible, front-loading the reading and research before attempting anything real. It feels safe, but it weighs us down with passive, disconnected facts. You read the chapters, highlight the text, and watch the long tutorials. This creates the impression of forward movement. But mere exposure to information is not the same thing as having a usable understanding of it. There is a different mental model. We call it AI-first learning. Instead of trying to store maximum information before you begin, you use AI to build clarity around what matters most right now, prioritizing immediate action and momentum. Over the next few minutes, we are going to build a custom 30-minute micro-assignment. You will use AI to bypass the hoarding phase and jump straight into practical application. This specific workflow is part of the broader Skill Wanderer curriculum, which you can access at this exact URL. Putting a concept into practice generates real clarity. Merely looking at the material first only creates the dangerous illusion of competence. Step 1 is deciding what you want to learn. Pick a specific, real-world skill to target. Do not choose an entire, broad discipline. This comparison chart shows the difference. Trying to learn an entire field like web design is too broad to act on. Focusing on a specific component, like building a responsive CSS button, gives you a clear starting line. With your specific target in mind, we move to step 2. Open your preferred AI tool. We are going to prompt the software to generate a micro-action for you. Type, "Give me a small, practical assignment to practice this topic, doable in under 30 minutes." The desired output is a structured list of actionable steps. If the AI replies with theory, refine your prompt. You need a clear task. The AI's role in this step is not to supply you with answers. It is designing a highly focused arena for you to practice the work. If you jump into the assignment right now, you run a specific risk. It is easy to mechanically follow the generated steps and finish the task without actually grasping how the underlying mechanics work. To prevent that, we move to step 3, establishing awareness guards. We need to ask the AI how to ensure true comprehension while you do the exercise. Enter this prompt. What should I pay attention to while doing this so I actually understand it, not just complete it? This instruction isolates the 20-80 rule. This is the concept that a small portion of high-value knowledge drives the majority of your actual results. Step 4 is anticipating blind spots. To map out common beginner mistakes, ask the AI, what mistakes will beginners usually make in this assignment? Expect the tool to return specific errors to watch out for. Deliberately asking for constraints and pitfalls transforms the AI into a partner that sharpens your focus. Now you execute the task. Transition out of preparation and apply your energy directly to the assignment. This rapid execution propels you forward. As you work, you will enter step 5, the feedback loop. Doing the 30-minute task will inevitably reveal specific concepts, edge cases, or terms that you do not fully understand. This is exactly where traditional learning becomes effective. Once the action reveals what you are missing, you can read the documentation or watch long-form tutorials to look up those specific gaps. This split-screen graphic details the exact strengths of each method. The left side, AI-first learning, creates fast movement and initial momentum. The right side, traditional learning, is used afterward to patch your blind spots and deepen your understanding. Traditional learning gains utility when it is used to answer the specific questions raised by your actual experience. Look at the toolkit you just built. You have a custom 30-minute assignment, a personalized focus guide, and a detailed map of beginner mistakes. Constructing this workflow marks a successful transition from a passive, content-first mindset to an action-oriented, AI-first mindset. Set a timer for 30 minutes. Step away from this video and execute your generated task immediately. Wait for that timer to go off before you return to your traditional learning materials. Use them strictly to patch up the blind spots you encountered during the work. To master this approach using multiple learning formats, visit this link to access the full lesson. Mastery begins with starting intelligently, using that momentum to identify exactly what knowledge you are missing.